Hey, I'm Dusty, friends call me Moose. I'm the dude behind cameratips.com. And in this video, I want to talk you through some of the image quality options on the Sony a6000 and help you to decide which one is best for you. Now, if we jump into the menu, on the very first tab, on the very first page, we'll see three different options right at the top: image size, aspect ratio, and quality. All three of these things work together to create your final image quality output. Now, the very first one is image size. This just determines the number of megapixels to use. So if I click into this menu, I can go from 24 to 12 to 6. And for most cases, you're just gonna stay at 24. But if you are in a situation where maybe you're running low on your memory card and you just don't have any other options to unload that data, and you want to take a few more images, you can come in here and lower it down to 12 megapixels and then 6. And that will free up a little bit of room for you to take some extra images. Now, the next option here is the aspect ratio. So there's two options, 3:2 and 16:9. 16:9 gives you more of a widescreen effect, and 3:2 is sort of the normal framing that the camera offers. The last option is quality, and really what you're doing here is deciding between JPEG or RAW. JPEG is a file format that is ready to go the instant you press the shutter, meaning you can transfer it to your phone, you can print it out, it's ready to be used in some way. If you select RAW, RAW is a sort of untouched file format. It's something where you have to bring that file into a program like Adobe Lightroom and apply some edits to it. My preferred image quality format is RAW and JPEG. And what this does is it actually saves two versions of every picture that you take. It takes a RAW and a JPEG and offers you both options. So if you wanted a little bit more editing control, you have the RAW file, and if you want a photo that you can just share to social media right away, the JPEG is there for you. Now, if you're still trying to figure this camera out, maybe you're unsure of which settings to use, I actually just released a set of really simple cheat sheets for the Sony a6000 that show you the exact settings I use for really common scenarios like portraits, sports, landscapes, and more. You can kind of think of them like recipes. I show you which shooting mode, the exposure settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. I also go over the autofocus modes that I use depending on the subject or scene. So I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below if you want to go check that out. Until next time, thanks for watching. Catch you later.